Have you ever noticed all those bruises around your toe and nails on your foot which causes severe pain and uneasiness? The main reason behind these awful bashes is the fungus. The culprit that reaches the hidden corners of your foot like beneath toes and fingers and corrupts the skin. Many people don't take this as an alarming condition and ignore it, but after a few days the fungus spreads in nearby areas, damaging your extremities and immune system. The fungus usually attacks when one ignores the hygiene or works in an unhygienic environment. Severe sweating may also result in the fungus growth. Hence there are several reasons for the fungus to attack, but are we prepared enough to protect ourselves from fungal attack? Click the link in the description below this video for details. Since we get alarmed only after the fungus starts creating discomfort and pain, we consider going to a consultant and get medicated. This creates more problems as the heavy medications may result in higher risk of allergies. You end up paying high fees and cost incurred in all those medicines without getting expected results. So is there any solution where you can root out this problem without loosening all your money on medicines and protecting yourself from the risk of medications? The answer is yes. The solution has finally reached for the ultimate cure. Dr. Wu Chang, the famous dermatologist, has created a natural solution after years of research on fungus attacks on human skin. Fungus Keypro is easy-to-use guide that includes natural ways of fighting the fungus attack without any medication risk. The focus is given entirely on curing the root cause of the fungus problem, therefore, it guarantees 100% resolution of your problem. The solution is derived from ancient Vietnamese techniques to heal the fungus attacks. This is the first ever product which is uniquely designed to treat the fungus growth scientifically using natural ingredients without any side effects and suitable for every age group. Fungus Keypro is the major step in the field of medication and has benefited thousands of people. Let us check out the product's detail and the natural remedy this solution talks about. With an aim to promote healthier life, Fungus Keypro combines ancient Vietnamese healing techniques with natural food ingredients to root out the factors resulting in fungus infections. The emphasis was given to make it safe and secure from every dimension so that the consumer can experience the genuineness of the solution. The product is a key for all your skin-related issues that cause severe pain and discomfort. Click the link in the description below this video for details.